My Hepa Plus Mr. Franco Trading Enterprise, CD Herbal, and a Kel Choco toothpaste. Me didn't because Yasempa. Badwam Mpensenpensemu, when I will share my guest, Honorable Theophilus and the Greater Accra Regional Secretary, my NDC, Honorable Alexander Kwesiakwa, a Member of Parliament, Achimda constituency. Before the break, and I make a suffer 30% salary cut. Honorable Theophilus, make I say my breast, so there was 10%, right? And money then.
First of all, no, answer me back on.
Yeah.
They be a creative impression. Be say COVID by no. I say countries be one more. Sebi workers. Omo mo continue fi omo nti omo ka. Sa nsem no sebi ye tuma enye yie.
Obasan Crawford Lucy or Majuma.
Listen to me.
Yeah.
Government per se, governments across the world never punish their workers because of COVID. In fact, what they even rather did was to even reward them.
That is government.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Right.
Private institutions, yes, some might have done that, but governments all over the world, no, they rather supported their workers to survive COVID. Asempa, 30% salary deductions from ministers, ministries, your friends and chief executives. It's as a result of a buying pressure about buying. So, say, a buying was living large, and a person or taxi the poor more in order to survive the bad economic situation. Omuni or mining yanano akoshim. But proud to that, Obekaya president can say they were deducting 20%. Proud to that. At the beginning of the year, no. Obekaya at the time, immediately 2021, yeba a second term of his government, had the issue of payment of your friend saying Article 71. Yedi office holders, yedi first lady, second lady, the government issued that statement, say they were taking 20% of the emoluments of workers. And no, yanti mushi until Nansenya e-levy issues Aban decided say obe reduce emoluments or dema ni government appointees by 30%. Who besides say at our time when measures ni buy no then na yensu ye Ubekaya His Excellency John Dramani Mahama reduce the emoluments of the ministers by 10%. Na saa sika no ye sheda di share a funder ye di building cheap compounds across the entire country. Enti records wo hono ukọ saa fund na ubehu what the resources were used for. Now, currently no aban na kan kire en say saa 30% no controller nhwe then some fangu friends say photo kese na aban nyina ebem consolidated fund taxes yetua bibia ekoho no. Now nanka Niagana for ebisa ne say anka be ya aban no enseti account be purposely for that purpose. They who say the number of ministers or deputy ministers or municipal chief executives or one, so deductions, on each of them, how much is being taken? Because say your name said deductions, is on the allowances, and that deductions, is on
their net salary.
And that deductions, is only on the basic salary. These are things and the good people of this country wants to know because and also by determine the quantum as to the amount of because who can say on the net and no say nipa ni 14,000 you are taking 30%
out of the
14,000.
Yeah.
Until wouldn't quantum ever. But if it is on the basic salary, maybe I share basic salary maybe 7,000. Until we 30% now. And no and so to say we on 14,000. Until these are things we want to know. Now, asempa ade ba ko ye me won say. Ye wo institutions bia chief executives, that is the MMDC DAs no.
Yeah.
And then me no ka say sabi aketua kra. Say
MCs and DCs.
Exactly. Say be ba na say mbampu no omunim. Nti asema anope ye pese ye bisa chief of staff ni say sa chief executives no.
Yeah.
Omu ye den edidi. Ye bisa sa question no. Omu ye den didi. Because so when your employment, then you do what to ejuma so. Now for so many months, waketia emba. Anya krono na obebo.
Oh.
Men can say oh.
And now the background. Maybe you might be tempted to be corrupt. Men don't say. And say.
Oh, aya no cry no. Ye can na pese ye di adjectives ni qualify no. Minya who ye juma ama multimedia.
Yeah.
Who ba who fifie wo ba who di car ena eba. Who didi? Who are yele ma? You have other responsibilities. Once those when the friend saying the money was a ban provide you no. And no attempt ma wonye nyan was obey to survive.
Yeah.
Nti eno de wo ho no mo. Now, aban ka kire en say sa nkofo ni nyina no. Yes, at your 30%. 30% wo hifa.
I see a TF your musica na ye be mom no.
Ana musica me fa ma.
Ebe ko na nyanko.
No, asem na me bisa.
But honorable no credit because na muntu ameka.
Muntu ameka.
When you are
This is.
Na DC better cause you are
Honorable, and to one ya where say mo DCs and AMCs into your mokai.
Me aware.
Me am aware, me catch you.
Meaning that DC better see into
that this your bed. And to me have a cassie into your.
Oh, that is all yeah, you want to see into your own cassie into your.
Honorable.
But you see, I can tell you, sir, NPP.
Yeah.
Most of our appointees, Obia yeba appointing into the office, political office, NPP. Or you be well to do, or you're a Juma, that's what you be.
No.
I am telling you.
Cannot be much with any government.
Yeah, me too.
Hear me. And I may say, yen sabe. Yen kwa appointed will be a fin where school. I want your Jumada. One way I appoint you now. I'm telling you, medical cassette.
More appointed because they are well to do to Muntia. No, honorable.
The first principle of Yanuma Yesum under NPP in answer a small mind.
Really?
Yamba fan said Juma, near Chay and Kama, or someone who here in Cassie, as in work at you.
Honorable Yetiaka as member of Eba. Every month,
main time checking because my mortgage, my constituency from the Amawom, Timmy checking, say both say move, but me say regular. A bar, I have a funder, a come, as a partner, I have a fund, you can check with my constituents. My salary goes to my constituents directly.
Okay.
Because my mother must say, may Baba Jaketia, Namdia Yajuma.
And to 30%, you better be.
MPs in Kahon. MPs in Kahon. Already, no, I made say, ye mubino. MPs do bet me casa for the majority. Yesikano, ye Juma your constituencies. Your constituencies die so.
And DCs, they should sacrifice. And I will.
And I may patch say, me minimum say DC be on my intrianica. But MPP DC is a minimum. I'm a minimum mina, but the mania kanya who say, do no, Sanaketiam my empa. Or when a Jume be and now the BB away, one, and if you have a but ye. Say, yes, 30% you bet your more. Not scanning my say, Yampampo, send a wookie near dear, a bebara, a yakutia, Oma sign contract aban from adwuma say aban say what 30% e do na say ye tua ye beti when so nya dia everybody obi ani agye say wo boa oman
no but what unim say sad na betumi ama nipa na yekoro.
And so you see government say ye gigi sa state owned organizations chief executives and ministers na 3.5 billion.
Okay, Ghana cedis.
Yes, you cannot take that for granted.
A month.
No,
Over the
period.
Okay.
You cannot take that for granted.
Access cano, ye de be den.
Oh, ye do pempen so bia o man na setena ne o man sika sem no. E say baby efi. Ene say ye beto o man no ne yarem na ka dompe. Na ye yes ye pege mu a chechire mu na covid so bebo mu no Ukraine ne Russia war ne ade no. Na aban penifo ne ade na ka say ye nyina ye moa. It's 3.5 million, 3.5 billion, consolidated fat more. Ye sike film, the shop on mine. It's said ye beya, young combasa abia ye bibi edia abo man hobra near the a mine penny fuano, Eddie kind asset example. And that's what I'm telling you, sir. See, Timia ye we are. To use 40 months for 25% many a day, everyone say I'm party for staff at Chro. I'm a shot yet. Ye but let's get into research, into history, and see of 10% of GG baby. According to information I want, so they went back for those money.
The information.
I'm
back from chief of staff. Chief of staff, man.
Minimum propaganda.
Oh, Debbie. Oh, propaganda.
Debbie, see, cannot motete. I'm going to go to chief of staff office.
Debbie. So
I'm going to pen everybody. A friend I know about
it. Control like chief of staff. I'm mandate here. I'm going to draw. We can check.
I'm not the best in the office. I'm not check.
Echo, as a best wrong.
I love the judge.
Oh, but we're public. No, I cannot sit here and lie.
No, public is there. The honorable to the child.
Sign information. Eba during public accounts committee. So, and I make sure I'm giving you. I can give you the details.
No, okay, public accounts committee.
Yes. No, within their term of office.
And
I was a member of the public accounts committee at that time.
It's man discuss deductions are
10%
deductions.
We are paying me and can be via a big but withdraw that statement.
Oh, that means to me withdraw, sir.
It is
when I know this is a public information.
It is never true. 10%.
So,
but honorable, information we'll pick anyway. I mean, give me the source. So
but you see, initially when the buy him, and then NDC tried to decline it. And so we went into archives, and then it came up. It came up.
So which of the archives?
In fact, let me get it for you.
Okay.
Let me get it for you now.
And the child,
Ghana. I was a member of the public accounts committee.
Okay, Martin. Mamenda Masi. Yeah, fancy.
As about to be fancy. Okay. Once,
so when we have submission, you know, quite unfortunate. I have to go.
But I place it on record.
Martin.
So whatever it is,
Honorable Alexander.
NDC 10%.
NDC. Me didn't question. Good morning.